Alright, if f of x is equal to 1 over x, find f prime of 3 and use it to find the equation of the tangent to the curve y is equal to 1 over x at the point 3 and 1/3. Okay, so the first thing we want to do here is we want to find a general equation for the slope of the tangent, which is also known as derivative function. So the derivative function of f of x, f prime of x, can be determined by utilizing the power rule. So in this case, if f of x is 1 over x, you can write that as x to the power negative 1, right? And if I look at the derivative function, that's going to be negative x to the power negative 2. Or you can rewrite this as negative 1 over x squared if you're just looking at positive powers, right? So this is what the derivative function will look like. You want to figure out the derivative function specifically for the point 3 and 1/3. So the x value of that tangent is x is equal to 3. So you're doing f prime of 3 is negative 1 over 3 squared, which is negative 1 over 9. Okay. So now that you have the slope of the tangent at x is equal to 3, which is negative 1 over 9, what you want to do now is you want to find the equation of the tangent. So equations of lines are in the form y is equal to mx plus b. And remember that the tangent is a line. So y is equal to, and the slope here, m, is equal to negative 1 over 3x plus b. And in order to solve for the y-intercept, you're going to substitute a point that exists on the tangent, which is given in this case, which is 3 and 1/3. Right? You plug this back in, and you get 1/3 is equal to negative 1/3 times 3. Right? You're plugging in 3 for x, plus b. You get 1/3 is equal to negative 1/3 times 3. You should get negative 1 plus b. I'm going to move the negative 1 to the other side. b is equal to 1/3 plus 1. If I change this to a fraction, b is equal to 1/3 plus 3 over 3, or 3/3. And because the denominators are now the same, you get 4 over 3. Okay, so therefore the equation is in the form of y is equal to negative 1 over 3x plus 4 over 3. And that's the equation of the tangent to this point, 3 and 1/3.